Welcome to the Alta Lofts unit number 115 open house. Very special open house. This is the best deal, biggest, cheapest, nicest lofts in Los Angeles. Take a look at the 1,700 square foot. Washer and dryer hookups, lots of closets. It's got this half bathroom, very large half bathroom downstairs. It's got 2 bedrooms right now, the way it's configured. Lots of extra closets. It's configured with 2 bedrooms. This is also could be removed to make this even more open and big and beautiful. 17-foot ceilings. Nice modern kitchen with black granite countertops, polished concrete floors. Amazing, huge, bright wall of windows with natural light. And opens up, warehouse-style windowed roll-up door. And with views all the way to Elysian Park. And that old building there is being converted into loft rentals because the neighborhood is such a great loft investment area. Let's go take a look at the large upstairs area here. Most lofts are only as big as this upstairs because it's big enough to live in just up here. You got huge, you can fit a huge king master set and then have all this living area left over. So you never get cabin fever in this place because you got this big, huge office area, which also makes a fantastic wardrobe dressing room. Then you got a full bath up here with a shower tub and tile. And then you have an extra huge walk-in closet area up here. Let's turn on the light. Right now it looks like a partial storage room, partial closet, or you can turn it into just a beautiful, huge walk-in closet. And so you never run out of room here at Alta Loft Unit 115. All this extra open space in your bed area here. All this huge open space. This is a very vibrant neighborhood. So it's a Sunday. It's relatively quiet on weekdays. Friday nights, it's energetic. And a lot of people living and working in their lofts. And this concludes our open house of the, you guys can have these waters. Have a great day, you guys. So thanks for taking a look at our special open house, 200 North San Fernando Road. The biggest, nicest, cheapest loft in Los Angeles. Let's take a look at the lush landscaped courtyard over here. And we are going to conclude our open house. Beautiful, lovely patios to hang out at. They're doing some, they're putting in some new plants and stuff here. All right. That's it. I'm Corey Chambers. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a look at the Alta Lofts unit number 115 condominium open house. You take care. Bye-bye.